Good day, everybody. OpenBOM for Microsoft Dynamics is here. Let me take you on a little preview. My name is Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM, and I got my favorite road bike bill of material that I created with our integration. I'm jumping over to, it came over to OpenBOM, so I've moved over to OpenBOM. I'm going to open that bill of material in OpenBOM, and of course I can make some changes and adjustments as I need to, costing and adding other items and doing all the things we do with OpenBOM. And you'll see I have a connector right up here to Microsoft Dynamics. It's as easy as tapping that. I'm going to take you through a little bit of the setup so you see I've done some configuring. I'm sending all kinds of derivative files and steps and PDFs. All that is supported Microsoft Dynamics. I also have a wide range of property filter mapping that I can provide. So here I've set up to send some cost and part number, description, thumbnail images, things like that. And it's as easy as clicking on the export button, and OpenBOM for Dynamics will package that bill of material, kick off a connection in the background to your Microsoft Dynamics instance, and start sending that data. After a few moments, a confirmation message will appear. Let's follow the link over to Microsoft Dynamics. It'll take us right to that item in our Microsoft Dynamics. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up, and I'll see that I've got all the information for my top level road bike. I've got some neutral files that came across with that. We can also drill down a little bit. Let's go take a look at the structured bill of material. Here I can see the structure right from OpenBOM. I can dive down more deeply into individual items and see that steps and PDFs and other things came across for these as well. So that is the sneak peek release of OpenBOM for Microsoft Dynamics. If you'd like to know more about it, please contact support@openbom.com. Thanks.